In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your DJI account from DJI Drone. So for this video, I'll be using the DJI controller, which is from my Mini 3 Pro, and I'll be using my Mini 3 Pro as well. So I'm going to show you in the video how you can remove your account and reset everything in your drone. So let's have a look. So now I'm going to show you guys how you can remove your DJI account from DJI controller. So what you'll have to do is just switch on your controller. So here you go. Just waiting for controller to turn on. And yes, we're going to put this on the side and we're going to have to switch on the drone as well. That means that means your account will be removed from your drone as well. So I don't need to do that. So I'm gonna switch on as well. Just 1 second. There you go. Alright, so now I got my drone and my controller, as you can see here. So what you're gonna have to do is waiting for the drone and controller to connect to each other. Just go in your profile and click device management, which you can see here. Basically, you're going to see all your drones which you own under one account. Once you do that, just click here, back, and click again device management. Click on the drone you're planning to sell, and here you go. And you got this option, remove device from your account, which gives you more information about this. That means the drone will be accessible to new owner or new user. Okay, so once you're happy with that, you can click next. Okay, it says your account name and all details, and you can confirm. Just click confirm, and that's it. And your drone will be. I won't remove my account from John, but I'm just showing to you guys. So we just click back, and once you've done that, make sure you go back and click go flight, and you go back here. You click them 3 dots here in the corner. Okay, and you click about, and you scroll down, and you clear all your data from the drone, which means everything will be removed from the drone, including logs, any data from SD card, and everything. And once you clear that, you can reset all settings as well. Well, it's how to say, you can do that. It's not really important. The more important is to clear all your data and remove your account from the drone before you're setting it. Anyway, guys, I really hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. And if yes, feel free to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, see you in the next video.